dogs being stupid and playing instead of going busy. They do this every day. All the time, every day, 24/7 of the day. Well, actually, no, I wouldn't say 24/7. I'd say about 16 hours of every day. Because the other couple hours, they're sleeping. But other than that, they play and wrestle and chase after our cats and lick their butt. Here, something that's real fun and exciting. Let me find a stick. Oh, here we go. Right here. Aha. Here we go. Princess Diamond. Come on. Come on, Diamond. Get it. Get it, Doopy. Get it, Diamond. Get it, Diamond. Oh, this is funny. Watch. Get it, Diamond. And they play tug of war together. Look, watch. Get it, Diamond. Get it, Princess. Good, Doopy Doopy. Come on. Get it, Diamond. Alright, listen, Diamond. Princess, come here. Oh. Come here, Princess. Diamond, bite on this. Diamond, come here. Diamond, come on. Bite on this side. What are you doing? Well, then don't be stupid. Don't bite by her head. Come on, Diamond, get it. Here, Diamond. Get it. Get it, Diamond. Diamond, get it. Really? Come on. Princess, get back. Here, Diamond. Princess, stop. Here, Diamond. Well, so much for that. Never mind. Diamond's being stupid. Quit. Go busy. It's poopy time, Princess. Princess, it's poopy time. Oh, yay. Hey, don't leave her alone. Let her go potty. No, let her go to the bathroom. Princess, get. Princess Pooty. Oh, Princess Butt. Princess Pooty. Oh, it's just my puppy, Princess. Princess. This big Princess Pooty. God, here we go. Bugging with... Hey! No! Hey! Quit. Princess, let her go to the bathroom. No, let her go potty. Alrighty, well, let me try. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna get them going to the bathroom since they want to be retarded, and hurry up and get back inside the house since it's starting to rain. Princess Diamond, no! God, my dogs are so stupid. And I know it looks like they're fighting, but they're not. They're playing. Them two are two peas in a pod. God, they're bosom buddies. Sometimes they aggravate each other, but they don't really do anything. Now, they're friendly, but if somebody were to attack me or my husband or break into our house, then yeah, you're gonna get bit. But anyway, y'all have a good day. Ciao.